Peace, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to Soul Sessions. I am so excited for this video. As I say in all my videos, I'm excited to share with you what I got in this mystery box. I don't know what's in here. I didn't even know I was getting this. All right, so if you want to know what this is and see me unbox it, stay tuned. But before we get started, if you've come across my channel and you're new, and you look at my videos and you're really excited about them, you know, there's certain ones that you really like, there's certain ones that you don't like, that's fine. I have playlists for almost every viewer. I feel like there's food, there's lifestyle, there's vlogs, there's spirituality, there's open and honest discussions I have with you guys from time to time, and that's what I call my soul sessions. It's like a one-on-one therapy session with each other. So check those playlists out. There's a video for every kind of viewer on this channel. So if you enjoy what I do, if you want to support me in any way, make sure you click that red subscribe button right now. And before we get started opening this box, I want to give a huge shout out to my sister Malaysia. All right, so this is from my sister, and it was so unexpected. Had no clue she was sending me anything. And a funny story is she messaged me on Instagram and was like, "Hey, did you get the package I sent you?" I was like, "No. And also I haven't checked the mail in a while." And she was like, "Go check the mail." So that day, I don't know how long it's been sitting in the mail. Sorry, sis. I really don't check the mail. But I checked the mail and it was in there. And I was like, "What the freak? What did you send me?" Honestly, like, I don't get packages. I don't get stuff like that in the mail, so it was really exciting to get a little gift in the mail. I'm super excited to open this. I just wanted to shout you out and say I love you so much, sister. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna get this going. And shout out to the Enchanted Fae. If you guys are in Silver Spring, Maryland, in that area, or you're going through that area, I recommend that you check that shop out. This is where she got the gift from. So another story, as I unbox this, so it's not just silence. Me and Malaysia used to go to this shop all the time. Her and I would hang out like 24/7, and we would always be down to take a drive to Silver Spring and go to that shop. And it's an amazing spiritual, metaphysical shop. That's where I used to get all my herbs from. For you guys watching my videos that like my herbal tea videos, I always bought my loose herbs there. She has a great back room that has nothing but herbs and like kettles and cauldrons and like really cool stuff. So if you're in that area, I highly recommend you check it out, or you can check out her website and everything will be linked below. Okay, I'm just gonna rip this open. Right? That's what I'm supposed to do. Yeah. I like want to do it really slow. Ooh. ASMR. Ooh, it feels heavy. What the heck? What is this? Sis, what did you get? Literally, it can be a rock that you found outside, and I'm cool with that because it came from you and I love you. What is this? Oh my God, I don't know what this is. Oh my God, I love this. You guys, look at this. Oh my God. I freaking love this. Little birdie. I love this. All fairies welcome. Yes, yes. Malaysia, I love this so much. And I love that you looked at this. And she said as soon as I saw it, like she bought it online, which I haven't really shopped on their online website because we always just went in person. She said she saw it online and she thought of me and she wanted to get it for me. And it means so much. I love this. Thank you. I want to thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I'm going to end this video here. And I wish you just love along your journey. and nothing but success in what you're doing. And thank you for everybody that's just supporting me with my vision and what I'm doing. And there's much more to come to Soul Sessions, so stay tuned, turn your notifications on, subscribe, like, comment, all that. It helps me and supports me very much. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.